Breaking news coming in now. It seems that the Congress is rolling up their sleeves for the upcoming Delhi polls, and now the party wants to put full force in fighting the Delhi elections. Sources are telling your channel that all the former Congress MPs from Delhi and other senior leaders of the party from the city have been asked to contest Delhi Assembly elections. Well, this is the latest coming in from the Congress. We have Sneha joining us with more details in just a bit, but the Congress party has given a clear indication that it will be jumping in the Delhi polls, which have so far been seen as a two-way fight between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. The Congress has said that it wants the full force in fighting Delhi elections. Sneha joining us with more details. Sneha.
Well, yes, the information is that coming from authorities responsible for Delhi specifically, indicating that all of the Congress MPs who lost the Lok Sabha elections, 7 of them actually, and many other leaders, senior leaders of the Congress party from the city have been asked to really step in, and also, like I said, fight Delhi elections this time around. Of course, the dates are yet to be announced, but the indication really coming in that all senior leaders have been asked to contribute to help the party bounce back, and this seems to be the strategy of the party at this point in time now. Dismal performance of the Congress in the last assembly elections. 8 out of 70 seats was the tally of the Congress party, lowest among the 3 main contenders, the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress party. This time around, the Congress is saying that they want all senior leaders really to campaign, not just campaign, but those members of parliament who lost out from Delhi should also be making an attempt to fight elections this time around, boost the morale of the workers and help the party at a time when the performance had been very dismal, both in the Lok Sabha elections and the assembly elections, and this necessarily is going to help boost the morale of the party.
Well, Sneha, let's not forget that the Delhi polls are very crucial for the Congress party, which is seeing internal rifts, which has seen complete decimation in the Lok Sabha polls and also embarrassment in the recent other state polls.
Well, yes, very, very crucial polls for Delhi, for the Congress party as far as the Delhi elections are concerned. Like you were saying that it saw complete dissemination, not just in the Lok Sabha, but also in the assembly elections. In fighting with the party, that is also something that you pointed out, because there are 2 factions, really. A set of MLAs backing Sheila Dikshit, the former Chief Minister of Delhi, who also went to Kerala as the governor but was recalled. And the other section of the party wanting the young leadership of the party led by Arvinder Singh Lavdi, the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee Chief, to take things forward.
Absolutely, Sneha. Thanks for joining us with those latest details coming in from the Congress. We could see the well-known faces of the Congress party jumping into the Delhi polls soon.